try again. Morning guys, so today we're going to be doing what I eat in a day. First of all, this video is sponsored by Tropega, so thank you so much to Tropega for sponsoring this video today. Literally, I started trying their protein I think like earlier this year, so yeah, I'll have some general information about them down below as well, and a link, also a code which I'll have on the screen right now if you want to get a discount. So I guess I'll show you guys what I generally eat at home. They sent a few items, so I thought I'd show you guys quickly before we go downstairs and make breakfast. I'm really excited. So they sent me a few proteins which are actually all downstairs, so I'll show you those after. This one is this lean protein. I'm actually using one already. I had this one previously. It's the salted caramel flavor with cacao powder, sleep herbal infusion tea. They sent some immunity, and they also sent some superfood. And then we also have these muesli bars, which I really like these. They're not muesli bars, sorry, protein bars. And we have chocolate one and a peanut butter one. So chocolate and peanut butter. And it comes in a little pack, full of them, and it looks like this. So anyways, we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna make some breakfast, and I'm gonna show you guys what I normally eat. We're in the kitchen and we're about to make breakfast. So we have the first ingredient, which is, this is the vanilla flavor, by the way. This is like my favorite one because I like making pancakes with it, and you can also make like protein shakes and stuff. So there's water in this. I'm going to show you guys what I do for the protein shake and what I also do for the pancakes. Normally I like to put all of the other ingredients in first, because if I put the powder in, it sometimes gets stuck at the bottom. You can do a whole banana, but I'm going to do half a banana today. We'll do a bunch of strawberries and berries. I just get frozen ones. And we add some oat milk. I'm going to take the protein, this is the vanilla flavor, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon, just because we're also going to make pancakes. So I'm just going to make it pretty for you guys, but sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, like today, I'll pour it in a bowl. I'll put some like oat clusters and stuff in it. Ta-da! And that's my smoothie bowl. So normally I'll put like strawberries as well, but we only have some bananas left, and then oat clusters always taste good, so that's my little smoothie bowl. Okay, I'm also gonna make some pancakes, and I'm using this recipe from their website. I'm just like altering it like a little bit.
Oh no, it's okay. I can.
Up cheap, but
Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
How much
Did
is
you make? So it's all 400.
because back to that day is so cheap. Like the parking in the Western Avenue, it costs 350.
Yeah.
And
No, you
and the
didn't.
next time like we every. For 740,000.
8.5我8.5你60。
It's like basically lunchtime already. I'm gonna make kimchi stew. Yep, that's the rice. Oh my. Oh no, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Yep, you can eat it. And like crispy.
It's good. Smooth method.
Yes. Get it. Our rice is done and we're just boiling some beef inside of the soup, which isn't an actual thing, but we just did it anyways because we want some meat. Ta-da!
Come on, Josh.
Is that what you said to hard for?
Is
that what you said?
30,000 on my neck is disrespect. Fuck's sake, Harry, man.
Oh, thank you. Back in my room. Okay, we're gonna watch a movie and then do our own stuff because he wants to buy a laptop and he won't stop talking about it.
I'm get it today.
Whoa! I look so pale next to you.
Yeah, I'm a bit tan today. Not really, mate. Make your sides.
Maybe it's the lighting.
Yeah, that's fine. Mate.
Wait, let me try again.
You got it last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, this came out last year, like winter. So.
Like, what's it called? Big.
No, it's like, it's a show though. It's a TV show. Oh, it's like. Everything. She's like the best character. Whoa, yo. That's expecting this to come like, you know, 3
like
days from
scrambled
now.
or not really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Red Dead Redemption is gonna have to
some
wait.
pepper will.
Well, have you made progress? Whoa, whoa,
Yeah.
Whoa.
Holy
Sorry.
crap, that's a lot of salt.
Sorry guys, I'm so sorry.
What's the onion?
Yeah, so mate, and went straight to praise.
Can I open it? Actually, no, yes.
No, wait. Dumplings and egg and this really gross piece of toasted Turkish bread. I literally just was procrastinating this entire time and now I have class. I'm literally online. I'm joining like this online class session. So yeah, this is kind of what I'm on at the moment.
Which we already touched on last week, so I never introduced it.
Sorry if you can hear it in the background, but I'm gonna have a little snack now. This is the Tropeka chocolate protein energy bar. Whoa, this looks so chocolatey. Looks like a brownie. The consistency is like a chocolate brownie. That's so amazing.
So for example, we've got
Okay, we're gonna make some pre-dinner food. Oh, it's bright. Oh yes.